How to let anyone join your private story on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. Let's take one random snap or video for now. And then tap on next. Tap on private story. And then tap on this arrow. Well, your private story has been uploaded successfully. Now head over to your profile at the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on this three dot beside the private story. And then click on edit viewers. Now from here you can choose any user that you want to let view your private story on Snapchat. Select the people that you want. So let me select these people. Once you have selected, tap on save and you'll be good to go. So this is it, and this is how you let anyone join your private story on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.